It's DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely BMW diesel 1 Series. It's finished in metallic grey. Has just arrived. The wheels are just going to be refurbished. It hasn't even been valeted yet. It's just a quick to get it marketed because we sell these very quickly. It's got the reverse park sensors and it will sell fast, this one, because it's got a nice few extras on it, like the reverse park sensors. Privacy glass to the rear. Interior, electric windows and mirrors. Just start it up. It's done 97,638 miles. It's got auto headlights, cruise control, satellite navigation, that's a biggie on one of these, Bluetooth connectivity, DAB, media pack, air condition, different driving modes and styles, 6-speed gearbox. So it's filthy inside at the moment, it's going to be cleaned. It'll look lovely. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.